Welcome to Happy Hour. We are making drinks with rum. Every single drink we've made has been delicious, and take that from somebody who doesn't normally drink sweet drinks. But today we are going to make what is called a jungle bird. In a tumbler already filled with ice, we're going to start with 1 1/2 ounces dark rum, again using Kraken, a fine rum with a fine name and a fine label and a good looking bottle. Yeah, you really feel like you're part of something when you buy a bottle of Kraken. And then we're gonna go right to 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Shoop. And there it is. And we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice, which I have fresh squeezed here in this pitcher situation. Let's give that a good old shake if we can. We have a hurricane glass here. If you don't, a Collins glass is fine. Really any glass is fine, but this is kind of how they're supposed to be. So as you can see, we shook it really vigorously. It's very effervescent almost. Has a nice froth to it. You want that with these pineapple drinks, with these rum drinks. Again, it's fine if it's not. It's just better if it is. It just has more of like a pleasant mouthfeel. I hate that term, mouthfeel, but you know what I mean. So it did call for 0.75 ounces, or roughly an ounce, of Campari, and what we're going to do is called floating it. So you'll see some drinks that have a layer. The math is that the rest of this drink is heavier than Campari, and Campari is going to hang out on the top. It'll probably grow legs and start to become part of the drink eventually, but this is just a nice presentation. Gentle, 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 gentle. Just colored everything a little bit. You can kind of see it creeping down the side. Some drinks are very like, if you really figure it out, you can get them hard layered, and it's pretty cool. But yes, a little pineapple garnish. It's got Campari, so orange, I would say. Let's go for a big, obnoxious orange wheel. There it is. The jungle bird. It almost looks like a bird. And now I know why we floated the Campari. Also, not just for looks, but that's the first taste you get, is that super awesome tartness, or bitterness rather, I should say, that Campari brings to the party. It's sweet and it's bitter, it's both. But if you balance it out with the rest of this drink, which is, I mean, it's a sugar bomb, and it's a delicious one at that. That's a nice little treat to start it off with. But this is, again, another poolside favorite. This has been Happy Hour, brought to you by Maine Spirits. You can learn more about this drink and many other drinks at mainspirits.com. You can download their app for your smartphone. That's a smart move. Why? What to buy, where to buy it, and what to do with it once you get it. You can follow them on Instagram at main_spirits, but no matter what you do, drink this bird deliciously and responsibly. Toodles!